Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Unity tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'm actually going to do animated text that is commonly used in game cutscenes, game dialogues and such. So here is just a very simple example of a animated text. So now I'll go ahead and show you the final result of a animated text. So when you simply enter your message in here, I have a script already attached. I will tell you guys on the script later on. So basically you have a message here. So when I play, So when I play, it will actually display the text one by one like how it should be. So this is a very simple one without any interaction whatsoever. So for now it's just a simple char movement in an array such as things like that. So now go ahead and make a new script called anything you want. So I'll just call it animated. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to have a text. So go ahead and create a object, a UI text. And here, what you want to do is have your message that you want for now. So let's say if you want a simple message like hello, and then you're gonna write this is a simple test. Alright. So let me just enlarge this quickly, set this in the middle. Let me just disable this for a while. So here, yeah, this is just a simple test, correct? So once you have that, let's go ahead and make our new script animated. Let's go into the script. So we can just delete the update, such. What we need is, first we need a time taken for each letter to appear. Alright, so up here. Don't worry, I'll leave a link below to show the script for this tutorial, so don't worry about that if you missed out anything. Alright, so first you have a public float, time letter, I don't know, letter time, very bad name. So basically this one is the lower your value, the faster the text is going to be displayed. I'll show you what I mean later on. Alright, since I put it public, you can get to see it later. Alright, so next, what you want to have next is a message. So this is your message that's going to be displayed during when you play it. So this is message that will be displayed. So make sure you have your public string message. Last but not least, you want to have your text for this. So you have to call using Unity engine .ui. Then you're able to use the text. So this is basically your text from your editor. You can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it a message text. Alright, so this is just it for now. So these are just your variables for it. Next, so what you want to have here is you want to call off the text component. So basically it's just put in message tag dot get component, and then here will be your text, close. That's it. So basically you're getting a component from your text over here. So when you add in the script here, you will find the reference from this text over here when you play it. So actually I don't need to put public because it auto find it for you. Okay, so next, what you want to update for your message, your string message, is you want to have the message text in there. So you want to have text. So basically your string will contain your text message that you placed in here. So it's a bit confusing, but don't worry, we'll get to that later on. You know what I mean? So at the start, I want the text message to be blank because I don't want it to immediately show off like this at the start. So what I want to do at the void start, basically this void start is when you start the program. This is what the codes that will be executed first. So here, what I want to do is I want to set my message text to false, to have nothing in there. So next off, this is when we're gonna use a new thing called coroutine. A coroutine is basically a function that is called off, which you need to return a u value somewhere later on. You'll see what I'm saying. Once you have the u, you will return back to the, after when the u is done, you go back to the program, the part where it says coroutine and continues the program. So here, I'll just make a start coroutine. I'll make it start coroutine, and inside here is your function name that you're gonna use it. So I'm just gonna put it text, animate the text. Alright, animate the text. Alright. So now what you want to do is have a I enumerator, basically a function for your coroutine, and put it enumerator, animate the text, and basically this function over here is you want to show off each letter in the entire message one by one. So here you have your for each. So basically this is your entire message. So for each char letter in the message. So basically, because your message has the text for your message, insert char letter in message dot char array to char array, and here you split the entire message into each single letter, because char is basically one letter by one letter. So you split all of them into letters, and then you slowly display them one by one within the time that you want it to display. So basically this is what the function here does. Alright, so first what I want to do is I want the message text to add in each letter there is, correct? Because now your message tag is a blank. You start from so basically this is your start. Set the message to blank at the start of the program. So from here, because this is blank, and then your message has your entire message that you really want, your finalized message. So here you basically add in each letter one by one slowly, because right now each letter is a char. Correct? So basically what this does now is you have HELO, for example. Let's see the first line, HELO. So when it starts this coroutine, you will slowly print out HELLO, something like this. But right now, because I don't have the time, so your next line will be your time. So here you have your time. So first you want to make sure you have the yield, because you need a yield value. So first I'll return 0, and next, because I want to set the thing to 0 first before doing the next line, return, and then you have your wait for seconds, and this will be your time taken. So this will be letter time, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry, new wait for seconds, letter time, like this. So this is actually just it, really. This is really it. So before we get back there, I'm missing like I have like 3 errors. So here, change this to small t. Here, make sure you have a bracket over there, and here is dot text. really is it. Alright, so now let's get back to our script. I mean our editor, and I have no errors now. So now I have my message, and let me set my time. So let's say if I put 0.1 seconds. Hold on. Alright, let me just put it public and let's go back. So now when I play, because now I have my text over here, I just put it public over here. So I'll just change that to public and drag the text over there. So when I play now, it shows off what I needed to show. So this is 0.1. So if I put it lesser, let's say I put 0.05 for example, the text will run faster. For me, I'll just put 0.01 because that's the best time I always like to use. So yeah, and that's it. So if you guys want an update for the let's say if you want to do dialogues, let's say after I finish this message, I want to show off the other message, please do comment below and I will see you guys next time. And maybe I'll do a next video if we have, if some people are interested in it. If not, I will see you guys then. Have fun and good luck.